The Weave Buddy system is a revolutionary breakthrough used for safely applying and maintaining beautiful, healthy hair without any stress or pain on the scalp. The Weave Buddy system is going to save you time and make you lots of money. You will be inundated with new clients who want safe and lasting scalp protection along with their sensational hairstyles. Work smarter, not harder. With the Weave Buddy system, you can fill in your clients' balding and thinning edges safely and easily. We want to meet you. Come and visit our booth. Sign up for our next upcoming Weave Buddy 101 workshop at the Texas International Hair and Trade Show. The seating is limited. Sign up soon.